zucchini and ricotta pressed fritters. Mix your Greek yogurt with spices and lemon. Grate your zucchini on a box grater. Squeeze out all the juices from your zucchinis. Mix your grated zucchini, garlic, scallions, and Italian parsley. With Parmesan, ricotta, add your eggs, breadcrumbs, and mix well. Form your zucchini mix into patties approximately 2 to 3 inches in diameter and top with a chef's press for even cooking. Cook with olive oil. Look at that nice even browning on the flip. Perfect cooking with the chef's press. Rest your fritters on a wire rack. Sauce your plate with that beautiful, sexy yogurt sauce. Top with zucchini fritters. Garnish the dish with fresh mint. The umami-packed Parmesan brings depth and a savory balance to the fritters. Every bite is fresh, fragrant, and deeply comforting.